everybody, my name's Tim. Behind me is my 760 Middleton Motorsports carbon fiber trackback GT500. I have run COTA, Circuit Americas, many times. My previous best was a 223. I've been stuck there for a long time, unable to best it. The footage you're about to see comes from the December 2025 Edge Addicts event. I did very little driving day one, spent most of the day coaching and giving check rides. I got a handful of driving sessions on day two, however my car was acting up with engine oil and transmission overheats. This led to short shifting and power loss. I believe I have solved this problem. This will be covered in a subsequent video once I get a chance to track test my fixes. So we picked this video up during an instructor only session. I had a 221 going on the back straight and held a predictive 221 all the way to the last turn where I got held up briefly by another car, slowing me to a 222. My focus was to not do the same muscle memory lap after lap, to try new things with bigger flowing circles in mind, much like you see NASCAR drivers do at COTA. I also focused on reducing braking going into turns, i.e. carry more speed through the corners, which takes us to my last session of the weekend. I went out with a full F and send mindset. I was able to cross the line with a 221.95 showing, but my Track Addict app hiccuped and kept counting up with a combined double lap time. Fortunately, my car mostly behaved on this lap, so without further ado, here we go. Well, that'll do it. So my Track Addict app still shows my best time at COTA is a 222.2. I crossed the finish line, got it on film of a 221.95. I'll just have to go out there and replicate another 221. I accept the challenge, it's good fun. Don't forget you get cost plus 10% on all Ford OEM parts and special pricing on Ford's line wheels. Email Jeff, the parts guy. I'll put the email link below. And don't forget to use the Shelby Flyer discount code. Thanks for watching. See you next time.